A CBC News investigation has uncovered outlawed nicotine pouches not approved for sale by Health Canada are still readily available in corner stores across the country. Last year, the federal government tightened the rules on the smoking cessation products in an effort to make them less attractive to youth. Nicotine pouches are only allowed to be sold in pharmacies in mint and methanol flavors. But as Idil Mussa reports, that was not the case.
This is a tobacco-free nicotine pouch. They are heavily regulated in Canada to help smokers quit. Instead, they're increasingly being used by teens. And despite the federal government's efforts in limiting their sale to pharmacies, we had no problem buying them at corner stores across the country.
Hi, do you guys have any Zyn?
We used hidden cameras and went to corner stores in Toronto, Halifax, Montreal, and Vancouver. With no questions asked, we were able to buy heavy-dose nicotine pouches in banned flavors. We also came across numerous Canadian online retailers selling all other sorts of unauthorized brands of nicotine pouches. Last year, the federal government tightened the rules in an effort to deter youth. Nicotine pouches can only be legally sold to adults in pharmacies, in mint or menthol flavor, and at 4 milligram doses, about the equivalent of smoking 2 cigarettes. But the new rules don't seem to be stopping youth from buying them illegally.
The problem is that we've targeted them at kids. When you have gummy bear flavors or cola or some of these marketing messages, it's not something a 50-year-old smoker looks to use to help them to quit. It's something a 15-year-old grabs on their way to the party.
We reached out to Zyn's parent company, who made clear to CBC News that their products are not authorized for sale in Canada and that they're working with law enforcement to stop illicit trade.
I was completely demotivated.
Queen's University student Ashley Biswanger started using nicotine pouches as a teenager as a way to stop vaping. And she worked her way up to taking 50 milligram pouches 8 times a day.
I'd be in class thinking about them. I would be driving, thinking about them I wanted to go home to use them.
The bottom line is that they need to do retailer checks. They need to be showing up to these stores and seeing who's selling them.
Health Canada says it's managed more than 300 cases related to the sale or advertising of unauthorized nicotine pouches since last August, including on-site visits and seizing products. Idil Mussa, CBC News, Toronto.